Thank you for calling Lazada Malaysia. Press 1 for English, tekan 2 untuk bahasa. Press 1 for order status. Press 2 for Lazada Wallet. Press 3 if you are unable to locate your parcel. Press 4 for return and refund. This call is being recorded for quality and training purposes. At the end of this call, you will be asked to answer a short survey.
Hi, thank you for calling Lazada. This is Hazel. How may I help you today?
Thank you for finally answering my call. I'm calling in regards to my return pending pickup.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you so much for raising this one, sir. And rest assured, I will help you with this. Just to make sure I got it correct, you're calling in about your pending pickup item. Is it correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Mm-hmm. Okay. By the way, sir, may I know your name, please?
Name here.
Okay. Can I call you Mr. Muhammad?
Yeah, they just call me Azmi. It's fine.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Muhammad, can I have the order number? So let me check here in the system. What item are you referring to?
Okay, I can give you the order number. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Order number is 456255
Mm-hmm. A moment. 456255.
6017
Mm-hmm.
93317.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad. A moment, please. Let me go ahead and check this one. Okay. So, just to make sure I got the correct account, Mr. Muhammad, can I have your email address, please?
Should be
Okay. The pickup pending. Okay, so let me check here. Okay, so may I know, Mr. Muhammad, um, let me check here. So are you referring to the free duty free, or is it a camera?
Yep. So on basically that's a scammer account.
Mm-hmm. Okay. I do apologize regarding with that one, Mr. Muhammad. And regarding with your concern here, it is tagged as pick up pending. So you need to wait for the processes of the pick up, Mr.
Yes.
Muhammad.
So okay,
Mhm.
the long story short, what I'm trying to ask is basically, can the courier
Mhm.
pickup call me or contact me because I've been waiting from morning and now it's
Mhm.
already what time now? It's already 3:10 in the afternoon. Do I have to wait another
Mhm.
5 more hours for the person to call me and pick up?
Mhm. Okay. So let me clarify, sir. Waiting for the item to be picked up today, right, Mr.
Yes.
Muhammad? Okay. Um, regarding with that one, Mr. Muhammad, because the pick up time frame, Mr. Muhammad, it takes 5 days for the pick up, Mr. Muhammad.
5 days? You mean all the way from
Yeah.
what? Today until next 5 days?
No. What I mean is that's the maximum time
No,
frame.
I understand that one, but already on the app it says is to pick up today from 8 a.m.
Mm-hmm.
until 8 p.m. Okay?
Yeah.
I've already
Mm-hmm.
initiated on the app already. So my question
Mm-hmm.
here is, can you expedite the courier pickup service to contact me to at least let me know what time are they coming?
Okay. Okay. Let me double check. Okay, I'll get it right now, Mr. Muhammad. Okay, a moment. Let me check if we have the options here. Okay, so regarding with that one, Mr. Muhammad, I do apologize because upon checking here in the system, we don't have the options here to expedite for to pick up the item. However, you just needed to wait within this day, Mr. Muhammad, to be pick up your item. It is
Ye-
because there's no other contact name for contact delivery guy contact number here in our end, Mr. Muhammad.
Is there a way for you to, I don't know, put in a system saying that, look, can that person to pick up call me anytime soon? Because I can't be waiting for a whole 12 hours, right? There's nobody. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, the person could just come at 7:59 p.m.
Mm-hmm.
Is there no
Okay.
way for Lazada to just like, hey, courier guy,
Mm-hmm.
customers waiting. Can you contact him? At least let him know what time you're coming.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So regarding with that one, Mr. Muhammad, because we don't do the calls or um other connections for the courier itself. So I will give you the number instead for the to the Lex um MY, so that you can contact them to update regarding with your concern regarding about this and expedite you to pick up your item, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay, you give me what?
Okay?
The
So the
MYRTN 000632651, is that it?
okay, is it the 01432527710?
Sorry, that's a contact number, is it?
Yes.
Okay, 014.
014
Yeah,
325
yeah.
2710.
So this is a contact number I can get in touch with them to
Yes.
at
And
least
you
let.
can tell them
Mm,
and you can tell them the tracking number, Mr. Muhammad, so that the Lex MY will be recognize it ahead.
thank you. That's
Okay?
all I'm asking. I just need a contact
Mm,
number for this to be expedited. That's all I'm asking.
okay. Okay. So is there anything else that I can help you?
That's all. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, so just a quick recap, Mr. Muhammad. So you're calling in because about to pick up pending, and I give you the phone number for the Alex MY.
All right.
Okay,
Okay.
so for future inquiry, you can visit the Sadao Center. And once again, thank you for calling Lazada, and please stay on the line for a quick survey. 5 is the highest, and 3 to 1 is the lowest. Bye for now, Mr. Muhammad. Take
Thank you.
care.
Thank you.